My bag was perfectly fine. I went for an event and they put a sticker on it when I deposited it with them. When I got my bag back, I peeled the sticker and the material of my bag started peeling. I think it was leatherite, but whatever it was, this was the condition, and I was not ready to let my bag go. I kept using it as it is, but people started telling me, why aren't you buying a new bag? Why are you still using this bag? It doesn't look nice, it's worn out, it's torn. But me being me, wanting to create less and less waste in this world and wanting to dump as least as I can in the landfills, I wanted to fix it. I cannot donate a torn bag, I cannot use a torn bag, but it was just the handle. Rest of it was completely fine, perfectly fine. So, this is what I did with my bag to give it a new, refreshing look. And trust me, it looks better than before. It saves us money, it saves more waste going into landfills, it challenges our creativity, and it looks so beautiful. If my video inspired you in any way, or if you do the same or something similar, do share it with me. You can also tag me on your posts on Instagram. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch more of such content. Share it with your friends, like the video, and comment your experiences. Until next time, stay safe, stay crafty.